Alright guys, so there may be a case where you're going to want to pick something off the ground and you're not necessarily going to need to go into that hinge or that squat pattern. In fact, you may not be able to get that load to pick some things off the ground. Say something like fairly light or small that you could grab in one hand, like maybe there's a random rock in the middle of the garden. You're just like, oh well, I gotta pick that up. Well, there's a couple options you could do. The reverse lunge, and again, try not to flex through the spine. You're gonna have to make sure that you're hinging as you pick that object up, and then stand back up. Or you could do the golfer's lift. So this one takes a little practice because it takes balance, and balance is really important. So I recommend that you practice this one inside somewhere where you have a wall or something to grab onto. But what it would be here is, if I got my cart here, I just put my hand on my cart, and it's the golfer's lift. So basically you're hinging at your hip and reaching. So from here I'm going to swing my leg back, grab the object, stand back up. Putting it down. Okay? You can see how tough that's going to be. Is if you don't have something to hold on to, you're going to be wobbling. That's why I suggest that you practice it. So you practice it enough, you get to the point where you don't need to hold on. You can just hinge like that. You don't have to have something to hold on to. But for now, I've got my cart here. That's the hip hinge or the single leg stance golfer's lift.